Chinese officials removed as death toll hits 1,000. There's been growing criticism of how authorities are handling the outbreak. In a rare public appearance during the outbreak, China's President Xi Jinping on Monday visited health staff in Beijing. News clip from BBC. China has removed several senior officials over the handling of the coronavirus outbreak as the death toll passed 1,000. The party secretary for the Hubei Health Commission and the head of the commission were among those who lost their jobs. They are the most senior officials to be demoted so far. The deputy director of the local Red Cross was also removed from dereliction of duty over handling of donations. The two Hubei party officials will be replaced by a national figure, the deputy director of China's National Health Commission, Wang Hesheng. On Monday, some 103 died in Hubei province alone, a daily record, and the national death toll is now 1,016. According to state media, there have been hundreds of sackings, investigations, and warnings across Hubei and other provinces during the outbreak. But removal from a certain role, while regarding as a censor, does not always mean the person will be sacked entirely, as it can also mean demotion. As well as being removed from their posts, officials can also be punished by the ruling Communist Party. For example, the deputy head of the Red Cross, Zhang Qin, was given a serious inter-party warning as well as a serious administrative demerit, the state media said. Earlier this month, the deputy head of the Wuhan Bureau of Statistics was removed, also with a serious inter-party warning as well as serious administrative demerit for violating relevant regulations to distribute face masks. The head of the Health Commission of Huanggang, the second worst hit city in Hubei after Wuhan, has also been removed. In recent days, Chinese authorities are increasingly being criticized for their handling of the crisis. The death of a doctor whose early warnings were suppressed by authorities sparked widespread public anger. Beijing has sent a team from its highest anti-corruption agency to Hubei to investigate the treatment of Dr. Li by police. There are now more than 42,200 confirmed cases across China in the country's gravest public health crisis since the SARS outbreak in 2002-2003. The Hubei Health Commission said the province had a total of 31,728 cases with 974 deaths by the end of Monday, a fatality rate of 3%. More than 3/4 of the deaths have been in Hubei's provincial capital, Wuhan, the center of the outbreak. The city of 11 million has been in lockdown for weeks. In Hong Kong, 23 households were evacuated from an estate on Monday night and taken into quarantine after cases were detected there. The territory has had months of protests, and Chief Executive Carrie Lam said, in order to fight this virus, Hong Kong needs the full cooperation and active participation of every member of society. This is a time for social cohesion. This is a time for every one of us to display civic responsibility. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.